my tripod is a little bit broken. So it just fell off a little bit. But, so we are on the walk to, what's it called?
Abuela Springs.
Abuela Springs. And it's the 3 hours there, 3 hours back one that David told us about. That he told us was going to be an hour. So...
Thanks, David.
Really, we're going to be thanking you later when we get there, and it's gorgeous. So, but yeah, we're just on our way. The morning screw-ups where I forgot to fill my water bottle because it was, 6:45 in the morning. And we haven't eaten breakfast, and all we have is 2 little snack bags of chips for today. So we're doing great. But it's going to be so worth it, and we're going to hike so much. So we got 4 kilometers on this road that we're walking on right now, approximately, maybe. But yeah, we'll keep you updated. Anyways, good morning. We walked past La Abuela hot spring, and
More like lukewarm spring.
yeah, lukewarm spring. But we are now essentially on a cow trail, and David said it's 3.5 kilometers past La Abuela hot spring, and yeah, we're just kind of guessing as to where the hell we're going. So it's very, very hot today, and we're limited on water.
No food.
Yeah, and we have, snack bag of chips. Didn't eat breakfast. Didn't have much of a dinner. So,
Hey, there was dinner. It was shitty, but it was made with love.
there you have it, made with love dinner. But yeah, so we're just gonna keep going.
Keep tracking.
I'm sure when we get there, we'll be ecstatic. But right now,
We don't know if we're gonna get there.
we don't know if we're going in the right direction. So,
Thanks, David. That's the theme of the day. Hashtag thanks, David.
okay, so we're gonna keep going that general direction on a cow trail. Maybe we'll get there.
Watch him watch this and be like, oh, you guys took the wrong turn.
So maybe we'll see you at a waterfall. Maybe we'll see you further down the trail. Being really confused and apprehensive about this whole thing. See ya! We are at La Abuela Hot Spring, where we were
An hour ago. Hour and a half ago.
an hour and a half ago. We went past, if you see there's like a little bridge that goes across, it's over there. We went past La Abuela, and we just kept going, and then the road stopped, and we kept going on like a small path, and then it turned into more of a cow trail that we vlogged on, and we kept going, and we came across this hut with 3 nice men who offered us cold water. It was very, very nice.
Very nice.
And then one of them tried to help us, but he was no help. Essentially, he only speaks very fast Spanish, and even when I asked him to go slower, he would just like speed up and like wave his arms. He was not a charade game winner.
Not
at
like
all.
William.
No. So, and then he's like, we'll just keep going. And I was like, okay. But we were going down the river, essentially back here. And then we came down. I mean, it was a beautiful walk. It was just very frustrating.
We had to crawl. I crawled under a fence.
Yeah. I crawled through a fence. She helped me, apparently. I wasn't aware that she was helping me, which is why she was in the back. and she was trying to get through, and I was like, just push the barbed wire down. She's like, nah.
I was like, I keep getting caught. And she's like, no, just push it. She didn't realize I was holding the top part so she could get through.
Yeah, so that's been our adventure today. We clearly didn't get there. So we
Thanks, David.
So we just decided F that, we'll just swim in hot spring and then go back and just
Get lots of drinks from
Get some
this
drinks.
charming Italian man that you met last night.
Yep. So that's where we're at. Woo.
Yay!
We've definitely had a couple of laugh or cry moments.
I almost cried.
Almost cried. And then when we were sitting up there and the man who brought us all the way back here was talking to the other guys who we'd already talked to and asked where La Cascada was, and they were like, no sé, no sé, no sé, no sé. Just look at it. Yeah. No. And they point at some other, like a picture of another tour to a waterfall, but like, that was not it. It was not even, it didn't even look the same. But, bright side, this is beautiful. Look at this. The water is so clear. It's so clear. So, we're just gonna enjoy being here for a little while.
Eat some chips.
Eat our chips, and then head back to civilization. So,
Yeah.
yep. Bye. 15 kilometers later, we're exhausted. Today was interesting. Bright side, it was beautiful. The hot spring was really nice. And looking back on it, we're gonna love that we did it. Just not at this moment, when our feet hate us. Just not right now. Bobbie's over there. Yeah, so we are laying down for now and ignoring our blisters. Always ignoring the blisters. We've been hiking, this is our third day hiking, essentially. Yeah.
No, it's like our fourth day if you count the hike to the hostel.
Wait, how was our fourth day in a row of hiking?
So Sunday we hiked with the New Yorkers.
Yeah.
Monday we hiked up the Spanish by the river. Yesterday we did the secret hike. Today we hiked. That's 4 days.
Okay. 4 days of hiking in a row. I'm a little bit done with it. But our legs are so toned.
Look at my legs. I don't care how they look. My body posy.
Did you say body positivity?
I shortened it to body posy.
Body posy. Alright, we are heading out this morning. But this was the Refugio del Rio hostel. And this was our room last night. And we're currently upstairs. There's a bathroom over there. And another room. But coming down the stairs. There's like a breakfast seating area. And there's another room with like a bunch of beds in there, and that's where we were, not last night, but the night before. And then come around, and there's a kitchen, there's a community kitchen, and a little area where they have like breakfast prepared. But this place is really neat. There's like a river out back, and there's like restroom, check-in, another room over there. You come outside and there's this beautiful sitting area. And you can see the river over there. And I think that is a private cabin. But what's really neat about this place is you go around back here and there's a bunch of tents where people are set up. But there's also like sitting areas way back over here is the little bar run by our lovely Italian. And I don't know if he's here this morning yet. No, he's not. But yeah. So one thing I forgot was this beautiful little koi pond at the very entrance of the hostel. But yeah, so there she is. We're leaving. So beautiful. So we're heading off to David first because that is the like the connecting terminal. So heading to David and then on to Las Lajas for a couple of hours. Hopefully we'll be able to sort of like rent a locker and leave our big backpacks and just take a day pack to the beach. But yeah, so that's today's plan. We're just gonna go to the beach and then hopefully we will end up 3 hours closer to Bocas at the Lost and Found Festival. So the day starts. We've come back to David and we are going back to our favorite bakery. Deliciosa Eli. We're back. Alright, well obviously we're back at the best bakery in town. We got the La Combinación drinks. They have piña and the sugarcane juice and lemonade, and they're so delicious. We got 4 empanadas con pollo, 1 enchilada, and 1 choripan. So we're so excited. She's very happy. We love this place so much. They're so friendly. Come here if you come to David. Alright, we're trying the churros today. Let's get that first bite reaction.
Should I break it?
Let's go for it. Not what you were expecting?
No, it's good. It's crunchier than I thought it was going to be on the outside.
Yeah, crunchy.
But it's not super sweet. This is good.
Nice. Yummy, yummy. We finally made it to another beach. We're on the Caribbean side. No, we're on the Pacific side, my bad. And tide is way out. It looks really good.
This is awesome.
So good. We want our packs to be a little bit closer to us just because like there's some people at the beach, but like not a lot. But like we've seen cars just drive on the beach, so we don't want them to just like drive up and take our entire lives. So yeah. Yes, bitch. Yes, bitch.
Yes.
Yes, bitch. Yes.
Best day ever.
It's pretty great.
Woke up, had coffee, sat on the bus for like an hour, and to the beach. And tonight we sleep in the jungle.
And tonight we go back to the jungle. But for now, beach. Gotta do them hashtags. Just finished at the beach and we are going to head to the bus to head to Chiriqui and then Chiriqui or Chiriqui?
Chiriqui.
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 And then we're going to go to the Lost and Found hostel. Okay, so the bus dropped us off here. There's nothing else. There's like a sign over there. You can't see anything. It's blackness. But yeah, this is where we are, in the middle of nowhere, going to the Lost and Found hostel.
You can't eat that. Just make
This is Rocky.
He loves the taste of my hand. Oh my gosh, I
Oh,
love
look at this little creature.
So we've arrived. We've got a bar and a dance floor and a giant Jenga and some foosball. Yeah. Pleasantly surprised.
it. Makes no sense.
Okay, so we just spent the night at the Lost and Found hostel. We don't have our giant packs on us, so clearly we're going back for another night. But we are heading down the trail to a little store to get some food because we have garlic and instant coffee and
Garlic, instant coffee, and sugar cane.
and sugar cane, yeah, which does not make a meal, in case you were wondering. So yeah, we're heading down to a little store, hopefully get some fruit and veg and maybe some rice or something. And we're just gonna...
Something of sustenance.
Yeah, so we haven't eaten since the cardboard last night on the bus.
Oh, I don't think they know about that.
Oh, okay, so we were like in between buses and we had exactly like -2 seconds to get food. So I ran into a little gas station. For your information, gas station food everywhere is awful.
They were burnt empanadas.
They were fried empanadas con pollo. I don't know where the con pollo was, because it all just tasted
And the empanada
like fried
con
cardboard.
piña didn't have pineapple. It had raisins.
Yeah, that was confusing. But, so that was our dinner last night. We're gonna go get real food now. Hopefully. But yeah, the hostel Lost and Found is really, really cool. It's really, really neat. I definitely recommend going. The view is amazing and beautiful, and I'll definitely give you a hostel tour. But we're also gonna do the they've got treasure hunt set up, so they've got one that's like hiking, and since we've done like 4.5 days of really hard hiking, we're gonna take a break and we're gonna do their escape the room style treasure hunt.
Yeah, because done hiking.
Yeah, well, for now.
We're hiking down to get food and hiking back up to make it, but just
Yeah.
these need just a little bit of some rest.
Yeah, so
Well, R&R.
that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna decipher some hieroglyphics, apparently. But yeah, so that's the plan for
It's a
today.
big chicken.
Which one? They're all big.
But that one.
The black one?
Yeah.
What won that round?
Firing a rifle into the air while balls move deep into a swimming hole.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here's where Rocky lives. He's the honey bear. And there's a bunch of paths leading to like a lot of different buildings. And that one over there is the bar. There's some bathrooms down there. Some other stuff over there. But killer view. This place is awesome. And there's treasure hunts to do here at the Lost and Found that are pretty famous. Slipping into a sleeping bag for warmth. You are your shui.
I don't want to be a spectacle, I'm just like, get warm.
I just want to be comfortable, you guys.
Yesterday or this morning because we're so tired. We just needed a relaxing day without any hiking because that's what we've been doing.
This is the perfect place.
And this was a good place to do it. So, I mean, you really cannot beat the view here. A lot of people had a lot of fun on the treasure hunt, and
there's waterfalls.
Yeah, the waterfall hike was apparently really, really nice and a can't miss. So if you ever come to the Lost and Found hostel,
hang out with Rocky.
Yes,
do the treasure hunt.
Definitely hang out with Rocky, the cute little honey bear, and do the treasure hunt, the kinkajou, and do the treasure hunt. But yeah, so we're just heading off today, and we'll update you when we get there. All right, we are in Bocas del Toro. In Bocas, so Bocas del Toro is the province and the city.
And we call it Bocas Town.
Yeah, so
this is Bocas Town.
Yeah, so we're in Bocas Town. And we are at the Hostel Hansi? Hansi. Hostel Hansi. I don't know how to say it, but it's very clean and very tidy. We're gonna go get some tacos.
And margaritas.
But unfortunately, it's really rainy here, and it's gonna be rainy all week, which is not fun. And we've already seen a tourist walk around in her underwear, and we got here at like 4:30. I don't think Bocas is for us. We're not touristy. We're gonna go to the, where are we going?
Taco surf.
No, the island for tomorrow.
Oh, it's not Bastamentos?
La Bastamentos or Bastimentos? Or Baste.
We're going to a different island.
We're going to a different island that should be more pleasant. But yeah, essentially we just don't like all of the crazy drunk people. Shocker, I know, it's weird. Why wouldn't we like a million drunk people? It's weird. But yep, so we will be seeking calmer waters. We've decided if you can't beat them, join them.
Yes.
So we're gonna go out and just have a night on the town. We've got dresses on, and we've done our makeup, and we look so nice.
So human.
So human. We are straight out of jungle, but we straight up good looking.
No backpacks.
Yep.
No fanny packs.
No backpacks, no fanny packs.